What's up, guys? This is Josh here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be repairing my 2022 Tesla Model Y. Now, let me tell you exactly what happened first real quick. I was headed to work the other day and I heard a big click on my hood. So whenever I got to work, I inspected the car and it appears to be a rock that hit my car and it chipped off the paint. It's a little indent. So I ran across this touch-up paint from Zahanian and I got it here on Amazon because when I went to the Tesla website to look for touch-up paint, one, it was sold out, as you can see here on your screen, and also it says that the paint may not necessarily match the car color. So by paying $60 for that, I found this on Amazon for about $12. And I was thinking, if it's not going to match anyway, I can just go on and just try another brand before I try the Tesla brand. So in today's video, I'm going to give an honest review, an unfiltered review about this particular product. And I'm going to walk you step by step on repairing the car as well to see if this touch-up paint is worth the money. So step number one, we have cleaned the rust off the scratch and the coating. So I have some water here and I am going to put water and I have a microfiber towel and I am going to clean it off very well. Now we want to take the pen and we're going to shake it for 20 seconds. So just sit here shaking. Not sure if I should tell you a joke or nothing while I'm sitting here shaking. Well, here's one joke. Why did the golfer throw away his socks? You give up? Because he has a hole in one. All right, but for real though, like some people tell me, don't stop my day job. So I believe it's been roughly about 20 seconds now. So now that we shook it in this way, we're going to make sure that all of the paint is going to be evenly mixed. So I don't think it'll hurt if I go over 20 seconds because honestly right now I'm not really keeping track of time. And sorry for any background noise today. It is kind of loud outside. But now that we shook this for the 20 seconds, we're going to open up the paint counterclockwise. And the way that we want to do it is slowly. We want to push in and we want to do it slowly to make sure that no paint is going to splash up on us. Awesome. So that was great. So let's go on and go to the next step. So I feel this right here is an important step. We want to put some paper down and we're going to match the color up. So I'm going to put a little bit of the paint on the paper just to see how it's going to look. And it's kind of hard that we're doing it on white. Maybe I should have used black paper, but it looks pretty close. So let's see what this is going to look like by applying the paint on here. So right here, I am going to take it out the brush and wipe off any excess paint that I'm having here because we don't want a big clump of paint on the car. And we are just going to gently apply it very lightly because one thing we don't want is a big gunk on the car of a big thing of paint. So we put a light color. And what we're going to do is we're going to allow this layer to dry before we put another layer because we want to try to get it as smooth as we can. So I will be back in 3 minutes and we're going to keep repeating this step until all of the dents are filled with paint. All right, so that dried, now we're going to put on another layer. So next what I'm going to take is this sand block here. I've wetted it down. See, it's drenched in water if you can see. And I'm going to go very lightly. I know looking at home, this may make you nervous and it's making me a little nervous as well. So I'm not going to go hard at all. But we do just want to smooth that surface out. So last but not least, I'm gonna take some waterless wash and wax. They tell you to go back and wax it after you work on it, just to try to just give it that even, smooth coat. I am using a microfiber towel again, just to see how that's gonna look. And honestly, and this is my honest opinion of this was not worth the money. In my opinion, it's actually a little bit worse. So save your money, don't buy that product. So as of going through the steps here in my garage today, I really feel that this is not worth the $12. So if you're listening out there, Zahanian, do better with your products, because now I'm going to have to figure out how to get this paint off the car, because honestly, I think it looked better without the touch-up paint and just having the big dent on the car, because now you see the dent, and also there's a little bit of discoloration around the dent, and you can see here on your screen as well how this looked in the sunlight. So it is noticeable. This was not a great addition to the touch-up process, so I will be ordering another touch-up from Tesla, or going on to have it professionally repaired. So let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this brand before? Is there a brand that you would recommend for me to try to go on and get rid of this spot on the car? Leave all of that down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos related to your money and your Tesla, check them out here on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.